Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I did Quinn's hair. It went from this to that. And I'm going to show you guys all the products and the steps. So we're going to start off with a shampoo first. And I'll just go from there. So this is one of the shampoos that I use. I like to use this when his hair has a lot of product. And then this next product is just a strengthening shampoo. It's so his hair won't be so weak and brittle. And then of course I gotta pair it with a conditioner. And also I have my leave-in conditioner. It's the baby don't be bald, and it's like a spray conditioner. So it's more like a liquid. But it's the truth, I'm telling y'all. So right here I'm just starting off with wetting his hair. Of course you don't want to put shampoo on dry hair. You kind of want to wet it first. That way you can get deep into the scalp and kind of cleanse that product off of his scalp. Alright now guys, I am getting ready to put the leave-in conditioner on his head while it's wet. That way it'll be easy for me to detangle it and I won't be trying to pull on his head with the blow dryer. Like I said, this is a liquid product, so it kind of suds up like shampoo, but it won't be a heavy product. That's why I like to use it. And I like this better than a cream product, so that's why I use it. And this is the weightless shampoo. It's pretty good. Y'all can see it's just sudding up. But it leaves his hair really clean, so I like it. And I'm just...
Godlow on the track.
Alright now guys, once I'm done with the weightless shampoo, I'm going to rinse it out. And again, I'm going to go in with my second shampoo, which is the restoring castor oil shampoo. I just like to use that one because once you have a protective style in for a few weeks, your hair will kind of start to be, it'll break off if you don't take care of it. So I just like to use that to make sure, you know, his hair stays healthy while he's wearing these twists. And yeah, I'm just scrubbing his scalp. Like I said, when you wear twists, you'll have gel and other products on your hair and sweat and build up, and you just kind of want to cleanse that out. And then the leave-in conditioner will stop it from being so dry. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm going back in with the leave-in conditioner just one last time because I'm about to rinse it all out and blow dry his hair. So I just want to make sure that leave-in conditioner is in there. Alright y'all, I'm just blow drying his hair out. I sectioned it into 4 sections and I'm just making sure it's all blown out. Y'all, I was chewing on my tongue so hard, like it's just a habit, and now I'm watching this video and I'm like, why am I doing that? I was like really focused though, y'all, so don't say nothing about it in the comments. But yeah, I'm just blow drying his hair out. I was just going through with the blow dryer a little bit more, just kind of making sure his hair was pulled all the way out. And y'all, I had to go sit down. My back was hurting so bad and my legs. So I kind of had to start his hair sitting down. So now let me show y'all the products I will be using. This is the Shiny Jam red gel that I use. Let me make sure it focus so y'all can see. There we go. Y'all, when I say, let me show y'all. Like the consistency of this gel. I like this gem actually. And for like that little curly look with your twist, because the gem gonna kind of make it just kind of just stiff. I like to put this leave-in. Y'all, when I say that this leave-in is like the truth, it really is. And then I just used like some little rubber bands and my parting comb. This is an essential on any hairstyle, like I'm telling you. And then y'all got some clips, some little silver clips. See, they open, y'all, so not too much on me. I'm adding the red shining gem to the root of his hair before I put the rubber band on, and then as I start to twist down, I'll add more as I need it, just so the twist won't be frizzy. So this is me starting off that first twist. Sometimes I section it off and sometimes I don't, y'all. It just really depends. And once you get that gel how you like it, you want to put the rubber band on the root, close to the root, and you're going to take the 2 strands of hair that you're going to be twisting, and you just want to kind of pull them together so the rubber band will be all the way to the root. And you spray that leave-in in and you comb through it. Some people use gel. I don't like to make his hair that hard and stiff. I won't use the gel until I twist it. So you guys see me twisting it, and I'm twisting all the way down, and I'm going to add the silver clips I showed you guys earlier, and I'm just going to put it at the end of the twist so they'll stay nice and long. And this is just me after I've did a few of them. Right now they look kind of skinny, but they will thicken up. That's just how they start off. But I mean, I really just be worried about the length of them. I want them to be as long as possible. So yeah, that's just me doing a few twists. And in this next clip that I'm gonna show you guys, when I get almost to the top of his head, you'll see how those twists start to thicken up. Oh, y'all see, baby, he's sleepy. But those twists will start to thicken up, and you guys will see what I mean. And it's just me showing them right now. They're long. They're nice and neat. Alright, y'all. This is what I have so far. He got a lot of hair. But when you're really done with the back and you get to the crown, look at how long his hair is. Look at the parts. I don't never really do the parts too big. They're pretty straight. I always do rubber bands at the roots, but soon, shake your hair, babe. Yeah! Come on, man. Got more hair than your girlfriend. Crazy. Not his girlfriend, though. Look at him. Is he asleep, y'all? Alright, y'all. So I'm finna finish the top. And then we're gonna be done, y'all. I am hungry. Alright guys, this is just me finishing up the crown of his head, which always is like the hardest part because he starts to go to sleep, y'all. But look how good those twists look. And that's just me twisting and twisting. And some of them you will see me kind of just part them. I'm just kind of getting the parts ready, and I won't twist them yet until I'm almost done parting. So that's just how I like to do, so it won't make it seem like I'm wasting so much time twisting them. I could just twist them all at one time. So yeah. But yeah, those twists look amazing. Like, y'all, his hair looks really nice. Like, so thick and full. See what I mean by those twists will thicken up? So don't worry too much about those, guys. Alright, y'all, I was just slowly working my way through because I kept eating, y'all. I was so hungry. Look at my little stomach. My stomach getting bigger, y'all. We found out the gender in a few more days. I'm so excited. Like, y'all, I was so hungry and tired, but I had to finish because I couldn't let him keep walking around how he was looking. So yeah, I was just slowly twisting, but you know, at least making sure that the pieces of hair that I had, they were moisturized, so I could keep, you know, parting the rest of his head and just come back and twist later, like I said. Alright, y'all, this was the end result of his hair. And I'm gonna add some whole lot of body mousse to it, just so it'll shine, and you know, his twist will be curly. And it will kind of set so it won't be frizzing. And after I put the mousse on, y'all, I'm gonna take the clips off, and then I'm gonna blow dry his hair. And after that, he just puts his do-rag on, so the twist will kind of lay down a little bit, and it won't seem so bulky. But alright, this was me taking I think I had took the last of the clips off, and I'm about to get ready and blow dry it. And after that, like I said, he's gonna put the do-rag on. Look at him, y'all. He feeling himself. He feeling himself. And I usually start blow drying it on warm. I really don't do it on hot because you won't need it that hot. Like, I know his scalp is kind of tender from the twist, so you really won't need it that hot. I'll do it on warm for a little bit, and then I'll do it on cool just to kind of get that mousse out of his head and to get it to settle. So, yep, that's about all I do. This is the end of the video, guys, and if you liked it, comment and subscribe, and just be on the lookout for more videos coming soon. Thank you.